Good day, panelists! I am Cyrus A. Magat.
I am Jomark B. Alber.
I am Crystal May Lucero.
I am Julian Sherda.
And I am Jerome Nimrod Aitan.
And we are the Group 8, and now we will be going to discuss our study entitled Arduino-Based Motorcycle Theft Alarm with Fingerprint Security and Tracking System.
This device aims to lessen the motorcycle theft issues here in the Philippines. It has 3 features.
First is theft alarm.
Second, fingerprint security.
And lastly, tracking system.
And now we're gonna show you what are the placement of the components of our device.
So, in the front face of our device, we can see the fingerprint sensor of our device. At the side view portion, the charging port. And at the back face of our device, we can see the buzzer and its components underneath its case.
And now, let's proceed to the testing.
This is how to register the fingerprint in the device.
To register your fingerprint, first, push the trigger button and place your finger on the fingerprint scanner for 5 seconds. Device attachment to motorcycle wheel fork. After you've completed the fingerprint registration, you may attach the device to the fork of your motorcycle. After pressing the fingerprint button, the device will display a red light indicating that it can recognize unregistered fingerprints. This video demonstrates how a registered fingerprint allows the user to disengage the device from the wheel fork. The researcher must move the motorbike and device to activate the shock sensor with an alarming sound in order to test if the buzzer alarm is functioning properly. The researcher rode a motorcycle for 1 kilometer, 3 kilometers, and 5 kilometers to obtain the GPS locator results. The results of the GPS tracker testing are shown in this slide with a 10% positive and negative range.
And this is our device or study entitled Arduino-Based Motorcycle Theft Alarm with Fingerprint Security and Tracking System.